How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a vein workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to do today for our veins is going to be finger extension. We'll do 20 reps, 5 sets, 100 total repetitions. I'm only going to be doing one arm for demonstration purposes. I recommend doing both arms. So let's get started. 1, 2. Just like that. First set done with. Something has been really making me mad. I had 3 pretty easy videos, all of them 5 minutes long. This is my 3rd video of the day. And it's taken me 50 minutes to just make 2 vids. Again, this is my 3rd vid. YouTube's been super slow today. It's not allowing me to upload my videos. It has allowed me to upload my videos, but it has taken a very long time for them to actually upload. So that is really making me mad. I still have 6 videos after this to make. And if it's gonna be like that, I'm averaging about 2 videos every hour. So it's gonna take me a very long time to just make 9 vids. So hopefully it does fix itself. I was looking online to see how I could fix it, and YouTube said to just sign out of your account and sign back in. So I did that, and that kind of worked, but it still took a little bit long to do, so I'm hoping this video uploads pretty fast. We'll do another 10 or 20. Booyah! Okay, yesterday did really good on YouTube. Got almost 130,000 page views, which is really good in my opinion. That's kind of what I want to average this year. I'd love to average about 130,000 page views. So far I'm averaging about 110,000. But again, there's always opportunity. I'm hoping this year the channel keeps growing. So 130,000 would be nice. And then next year, 160 or 170,000 page views. Again, those are not actual views. I don't know. It's super weird. A page view, I don't know what they think that is, but for views wise, I'm getting anywhere from 50 to 60,000 views a day. But again, it's really weird. I go by page views. I don't know, but yeah, I am hoping that after this video, the uploads go smooth, because I have 3 videos after this that are all 10-minute videos. And my guess is if a 5-minute video takes pretty long, a 10-minute video should take even longer. So I'm hoping this signing in, signing out thing has kind of helped. Maybe YouTube's just being slow today, which is okay as long as this is not a constant thing. So it's really making me angry. Again, my goal today is just to make 9 videos, even though today I could make possibly 25, maybe 30. That's not what I'm gonna do. I'm only making 9 videos now per day, so the reason why I've cut it a little bit is just for the simple fact I'm so far ahead already, and by the end of March I should be done. Let's see here. August, September, October. Yeah, should be done then. Because if I'm making 9 videos per day in a month, I can make 270 videos. I'm almost halfway done August, to be honest. Yeah, I'm almost halfway done August. So I guess September, October, November, August. Almost halfway through August, I should get to. One more set, then we're done. Okay, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Let's hope this video uploads quick. Thank you.